Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, chapter number 2, shloka number 33. But if you will not fight this righteous war, then having abandoned your own duty and fame, you shall incur sin.
Chapter 2, shloka 33. अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यं सङ्ग्रामं न करिष्यसि ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापम् अवाप्स्यसि.
Chapter 2, shloka 33. In the previous shloka, Lord Krishna explained why Arjuna must fight and enjoy kingship, name, fame, and glory, which are the benefits of victory. Even if he was killed, since it was a righteous war to protect the culture, as a Kshatriya he would get to the highest heaven reserved for the heroes. Now in this shloka, Lord points out that if Arjuna didn't fight the righteous war, then having abandoned his own duty and fame, he would incur sin. If out of delusion he decides to do something else, then he would be collecting more vasanas, which will add to his existing tendencies, which are called sin in Vedanta. Arjuna's personal call of character or swadharma is that of a leader, a Kshatriya. Nature has placed him in a circumstance where he can perform his call of duty and exhaust his tendencies. If he neglects his duty, then his vasanas won't get exhausted. The tendencies can only be exhausted in an appropriate field. Even if he runs to a mountain cave to meditate, his vasanas will not let him meditate. Acting contrary to one's nature is sin. Not living his Kshatriya duty would be sinful for Arjuna. He has vasanas for kingship, name, fame, and glory. These must be exhausted before he can meditate to discover his dharma, which is the law of being. If he doesn't fight for fear of killing a person, that is also a sin. According to Mahabharata, not killing a person who deserves to be killed is as sinful as killing a person who does not deserve to be killed. Everybody has taken up a form for the exhaustion of his existing tendencies. So Arjuna must not sin but fight. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.